I remade these stairs for under $500. I started by cleaning the walls, spackling, sanding, and letting my kids prime. After the walls got a fresh coat of white paint, it was time for the stairs. I used a lot of wood fill, caulk, and primer. Because the stairs weren't exactly level, I didn't want to mess with adding a skirting board, so I faked it with some trim and paint to trick the eye. I knew I was adding a runner, so I only had to paint the sides. I went with this beautiful pink inspired by my favorite jumpsuit, and here I am wearing it. See how good it looks? Paint is magic! I couldn't find a runner I loved in the right width, so I bought 2 inexpensive rugs and had them cut down the middle and serged at my local carpet cleaner. I used some leftover rug pads on the treads, a bit of carpet tape, and crown staples under the nosing and where the riser meets the tread. I cut the runner so it would join another in one of these spots and burned the edge so it wouldn't fray since it wasn't made of natural fibers like wool. And I used the green tape to make sure I wasn't wandering off course. My dream for this space, besides a lot of color, was a maximalist gallery wall. I decided on fraying colors of black, wood, and gold. Mapped it out first with paper and filled it with some family photos, but also free art from the public domain that I just printed at home. Oh yeah, and some plants. Then it was mural time! I taped level lines and sealed them with the wall color. The colors were inspired by sunsets and my favorite kitchen towel. I bought 3 darker shades and also mixed lighter shades with the wall color. Here's that satisfying tape pull. This project took me 8 years of walking past ugly stairs and 2 months of work. And it's still my favorite room in the entire house. Let me know if you have any questions.